Welcome to our channel. Today we are taking you on a visual journey through stunning front and backyard landscape design. First segment is front yard landscape design. Friend, your front yard is more than just a patch of grass in front of your home. It is your first impression. It is where you greet guests, set the tone for your home, and showcase your personal style. Friends, imagine a front yard where your plantings extend all the way to the curb, creating a seamless transition between your home and the neighborhood. Modern front yard trends embrace sustainable, low maintenance design that make use of native plants. These species often draft tolerant, provide year-round color and texture while reducing water use and maintenance time. Consider the charm of cottage garden, a mix of fragrant perennials, ornamental grasses, lush flowering shrubs. Design elements such as stone pathways, wooden fences, and subtle lighting not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also guide visitor to your front door. Whether you lean towards a formal layout, neatly trimmed hedges, or a relaxed, naturalistic arrangement, your front yard can reflect your personality and the architectural style of your home. When planting your landscape, start with a vision. This about what you want your outdoor space to achieve. Do you need more privacy? Are you looking to entertain guests? Or perhaps you want a quiet corner for reading and reflection? Sketch out your ideas. Even simple layout can help you visual how different zones will follow together. Consider the practical aspect too. Budget is key. Not every idea requires a major overhaul. A few strategic updates like new lighting or replanting with native species can have a dramatic impact. Pay attention to maintenance needs. Choose plants suited to your local climate and soil, and consider low maintenance options like natural landscaping, which relate to native plants and require minimal upkeep. Friends, don't forget about safety and functionality. Incorporate non-slip pathways, proper lighting for evening use, and ensure any built structure like decks or retaining walls are designed to withstand your local weather conditions. Even simple touches like windows boxes filled with seasonal blooms or a small water feature to mask city noise can elevate your landscape appeal. The next segment is backyard transformation. Now let's move to the backyard, the true heart of outdoor living. This is where you can unwind, entertain, and enjoy a private retreat away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Friends, a well designed backyard is all about creating distinct zones that create your lifestyle. Think about carving out a cozy sitting area around a fire pit or building a modern outdoor kitchen that doubles as a dining space under the stars. These spaces are not just decorative, they add functionality and can even boost your home overall well. In today's trend, multifunctionality is key. For example, you might have a sunken lounge area that incorporates built-in seating and ambient lighting, creating a dramatic focal point that's perfect for evening gathering. Or imagine a background that blends seamlessly with your indoor living space, where sliding doors open to reveal a outdoor room complete with uncomfortable with comfortable furniture, lush planters, and even a small water feature. Sustainability is also the forefront. Backyard can be designed with smart irrigation system and native planting. Whether you are adding raised garden bed for vegetable or using vertical gardening techniques to maximize space on a small urban lot, your backyard can be both eco-friendly and stunning. Thank you for joining Jules on this journey through some of the best front and backyard landscape design for 2025. We hope these ideas inspire you to reimagine your outdoor spaces and create a garden that reflects your style, meet your needs, and support a sustainable future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next design inspiration. We have loved to hear about your own landscape project and ideas in comments below. Until next time, happy gardening. Enjoy our outdoor oasis. Thanks, Allah Hafiz.